runway coach amazed by SB19 on bench body of work 2025. P-pop king SB19 definitely killed their debut runway at the bench body of work 2025. But did you know that they hired a runway coach for this event? Yes, Joshua De Sigera, a fashion model, coach, and national director of Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide, has posted this picture with SB19 with the caption, "It was an honor to have trained the P-pop pioneers themselves, SB19, for their runway debut at bench body of work. Seeing the hard work they put in everything they do made me an even bigger fan of them." No wonder SB19 slayed. Pero ang mas nakakabilib dito ay ang kanilang work ethics. Talagang wala ang okay na to sa kanilang bokabularyo. Kung iisipin, they are managing their own selves through their starting small company and yet never nilang tinitipid ang sarili lalo na pagdating sa kanilang trabaho at career. And that is why lahat ng fans, lalo na ang mga gumagastos talaga para sa kanila, ay nararamdaman at nakikita that they deserve every penny with everything that they offer to us. From their songs to music videos, merch, performances, and concerts, lahat top quality. Walang tapon, walang sayang.